creation, let us praise the rock of our salvation. With hearts full of thanks to His presence,